Welcome to the first episode of our massive 100-part Excel 2024 series. Whether you are a complete beginner or you've been using Excel for years,
but feel like you're clicking buttons with purpose, this video is for you. Enjoy watching.
Tab in Excel, the Home tab. By the end of this video, you won't just know what the buttons do, you will know the workflow that makes you faster. Here we are, the Excel ribbon. Take the Home tab as your central command center. It's broken down into logical groups: the clipboard, the font, the alignment, number, styles, cells, and editing. We are going to walk through them in the order you will actually use them to building a report. Obviously, in the clipboard section, you have copy, cut. So if I copy this and you can see the paste menu enabled. And if you see the drop down of the paste, this is where beginners waste hours. If you copy the cell, which has a background and a formula, as you can see here, formula, and you do a regular paste. So you wanted to copy just the value 9, but it has copied the color and the formula. To avoid this, you can do is do paste the value. Just copies the value. So paste value is your best friend. And sometimes you want just to paste the value, then you use this. Otherwise, if you're using want to format to be copied, you want the formulas to be copied, you want a source format to be copied, or want to copy the link of an image or the image itself, or just the link, the formatting, regular formatting. So use various other options. Okay. The most important one is the format painter. Okay. If you double click on this and then if you click on any cell on this screen, it adds or copies and pastes the background or the formatting. Okay. So it stops when we type the escape key, and there it goes. It gets turned off. Okay. So this is the pro tip here. Now font group. If you see these text, I can bold them. I can italicize them. Can give an underline to them. Remove the italics. Change the font. Okay, and increase the font size, as well as you can apply borders. All borders, and you can have a double borders. Similarly, you can give the background to it, and as well as change the color. Okay, so let's create a simple header file. As you can see, this is an bolded text, and I'll choose a different font, make it 18. Then change the font. Let's make it darker. It's not good enough. Yeah. Okay. And then you have you have to merge it. Usually, when you go and merge it with center, there is a problem of having the text not getting coming into the same cell. The contents of the right side cells get trimmed off. For example, if I show it here, click on this, then it's fine. Okay, if I select all these things and then click on merge and center, you get this. Okay, so At this time, what you have to do is you have to select this, go to alignment, click on horizontal, click on center across selections. Then it is centered with independently among the cells. Okay. Okay. So we'll do the same thing here. Okay. This is top alignment, middle alignment, and the bottom alignment. And you can see here the texts are left aligned and the numbers are right aligned. Okay. You want it to be centered, you can choose this. And if you want it to be middle aligned, this is the one. And then left aligned to centered or to the right aligned. Similarly, we can to generate a proper report. You might have to make number right aligned, or we go here, center across selection. Okay, this is how it is done. Okay, I know you love it for the titles, but a warning, the merging has to be carefully done. Can't go directly choose merge and center for multiple selected things. You might see it goes off. So you have to be very careful while choosing it. You have to always choose center across selection and then do the center. Now we go into the number section. As you can see, it has general, it has the locale information, and you have percentage, the comma separators, then you have the increase the decimal. Okay. As you can see here, with no profile formatting and data type being not measured or applied, everything looks very confusing. Okay. So now we'll check out with this. I'll change this to from general to number. You can see it has got decimal point now. Now this is decimal value which is showing as percentage, which is showing as a decimal value. You apply percentage, how it looks. Yeah. Okay. Then this is actually a date which is showing as a number. If you go for a long date, come to know this. If you go for a short date, this is how it looks. So this is all about number section, and even you can go to want to have a currency symbol. It can go here like this with the rupee symbol. Okay. So and you can format for special numbers. Suppose I type 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 2, and 7799. If you go there and choose more number formats, then go to special United States, and you go for a phone number. Then you can see phone number. So this is how you can apply different values properly being represented while you're preparing a report. The styles group now over here. So everyone cannot be a designer, but still you can design a beautiful Excel sheets. Okay. So styles group is your instant design buttons. Okay. So where you can convert the raw text like this into beautiful tables, and better formatting can be done and make Excel sheet look attractive. So as you can see, this is a selected cell, and this is a dynamic. You can change it. Okay. So I choose conditional formatting, then I choose top 10 items, then I change this to top 2. The which out of selected cells, the top 2 values will be light red filled with the dark red text. Okay. So there you go. So light red filled and right text. And you want to remove it back, then go to here, clear the rules. you get rules from selected cells. Okay. Now, it can be properly formatted if you make it this text or this group of cells into a table. For this, we use Control T or format as tables. Okay. So there you go. I'll choose my table has headers, and now it has become a table. Okay. Then I can pick any style, which if you don't like this one, let it go for a lighter version of it. Or we can go like this. So there is various kinds of tables you can have it with headers, without headers, with borders. Okay. Apart from that, if you go back to home, then you have something called as data bars. If you apply that, all numericals have a inbuilt bars proportionally according to the values. Okay. And can change the colors also depending on certain relative values. It changes the colors. Only for this applies only to the numbers. Okay. Only green and all those things. You can even apply text icons to it, as you can see here. And I can apply this based on the values. The numbers of bars are added to it, and shades are applied to it. Can do this also. Okay. This also is there. There you go. So you can change that again further to um, different styles. Okay. Do it like this. So this is how you can manage your text into a proper table and make it look better. And you can still select this and go here and alignment selection. Yeah. Then you want to apply borders to each of them. You can do that also. Outside borders. And the next is the cell editing things. You want to insert a single cell here. For example, you wanted to add a cell to it. Then you go here, insert cells. Okay. Small, all the one row of this, because it has been converted into a table, it inserts rows or columns. And then you can fill it with series like numbers, change it. Then I'll make it as a uh, so this is how you can insert within the table. And if you want to do apply sums to it, alt equal to, you get the total of it. As you can see, it has created a subtotal for these values. Okay. Here also you can do. This is how you can format the tables, apply the styles, and do the cell editing. Okay. So there you go. The home tab for all the sections, that is clipboard, font, alignment, borders, number, styles, cells, and editing. You have completed the 40% of the Excel's daily functionality, and it is very good exercise for you to start the Excel journey. You have officially completed video 1 of 100 video journey. Congratulations. Next time we are going to into the insert tab. We aren't just making any boring charts. We are going to make new chart types available in Excel 2024. As you can see here, some various beautiful chart types and graphs will be developed. So join me if you want to become advanced AI pro. Then hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I have added the practice workbook in the description below, so you can click along with me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.